everybody, and welcome to the New Year's special. And so today I'm going to be doing basically what I did on my Halloween special, but it's going to be a little bit more louder. So here I have my Simplex T-Bar and my Firelight BG12. Here's my iPad, and it is 11:51. Now this little basket holds some supplies I might need. Now on the other side of the step I have my Wheelock Exceeder and Wheelock AS, both set to medium volume continuous, and it is pretty loud. I'm not kidding. Okay, so this is going to be and at New Year's we're going to be setting it all off. It is 11:59, as you can see up there, and at 12 o'clock we're going to pull it. So this is the last video of me 2014. So here we go. 12 o'clock, here we go! I'm gonna go ahead and turn it off now. Happy New Year, everybody. I bet my whole neighborhood could hear that, because that was so loud. Thank you for watching this video. Please rate, comment, and subscribe, and Happy New Year.